Good morning, students. Today we are starting class 11, chapter 1st, nature and purpose of business. What is business? A business is an economic activity which main motive is earning profit. Without the profit, business do not survive for a long period because profit is the lifeblood of the business. So we start the nature and the purpose of business because all human beings have different types of needs. So in order to fulfill these needs, they have to be perform some activity, because without the activity business cannot be run. Activity means they are doing something means they are going to the shop, sit there, work, they are in production, procurement, purchase, sales, they are involved. So these all are the business activities, while the motive is to be earning profit. Human activities are classified into economic and non-economic activities. So that difference, the difference between the economic activity and non-economic activity is that because they are classified into two activities, the first is economic activity and other is non-economic activity. So the first is the motive. What is the motive of the economic activity? While we have to learn earlier that economic activity is earning money, because without earning money, business do not survive. So non-economic activity, motive of the non-economic activity is the social welfare. Social welfare means they are done without the profit motive, and they are social welfare without earning money. They are providing the help and social work for the society, which is working for the welfare of the society. The next is expectations. The expectations of the business, while it is an economic activity and the expectation is earning money. So the main activity is money, income is there. The next is expectation in non-economic activities. Money income is not expected because they are working for the social welfare. So the money earning is not there because it is not a business. And the next, the purpose. The purpose is the creation of wealth. So what is wealth? Wealth is grown up of the business. While the day by day when the business is earning profit, so the business can survive. The wealth of the business is improved. Profit increase the capital of the business. So the wealth is improved day by day. The next is non-economic activity. The purpose of the non-economic activity is mental satisfaction. While when we are giving some amount to the welfare of the society for the development of the poor students, for the development of the poor child, for the development of the poor society and the welfare of the social work, that is a mental satisfaction while we are involved in the economic activity. So the differences between these two categories and the differences between economic and non-economic activities are this. So the next is the example of the economic activity. The example of the economic activity involves business, profession and employment. The example of non-economic activity are religious and social activity. The religious activities are to be done without any profit motive, and the social activities are also be done without the motive of earning profit. They are done for the welfare of the society. The next is the concept of the business. So what is business? The concept of the business refers to the economic activity involved. Business refers to the economic activity involved in the purchase, production and sale of goods and services with a motive of earning profit by satisfying human needs in society. While the profit is to be earning, while what the society needs, we are preparing the products according to the need of the society and provide them. While we are satisfying the need of the society, we have to be earn that is profit, and that is the main source of the development of the business. That's why it is a need of the business. And the next is the characteristics of business. The characteristics of the business, the first is the uneconomic activity.